All right, hello again. We are ready for 4.1b. If you remember in 4.1a, we graphed lines. Those in the previous section were in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. In this one, my directions are the same, just to graph. It's going to be graphing a line. But then now they're in standard form. 2x plus 3y is 6. Now I could solve for y and put it in slope-intercept form, but there's an easier way to do it, and that is by using what's called intercepts. When it's written in standard form, like this problem is, you have two intercepts to use. You have an x-intercept and you have a y-intercept. And remember, it only takes 2 points to draw a line, so that would be my 2 points. 1 point is the x-intercept, 1 point is the y-intercept. Well, to find the x-intercept, you put a 0 in place of the y. In other words, take 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. So it's like that doesn't even exist because 3 times 0 is just 0. So you're left with 2x equals 6. In other words, x equals 3. So my x-intercept is 3. So over on the graph, on the x-axis, mark the point 3. For the y-intercept, you do the opposite. You put a 0 in place of the x. So it's 2 times 0 plus 3y is 6. Well, again, 2 times 0 is 0, so it's like it's not there. You're basically left with 3y is 6, or y is 2. In other words, my y-intercept is 2. So I'll go over and mark that point on the y-axis. And there's my 2 points, the only 2 points I need to draw that line. Let's try another one. Let's try doing this one in our heads. Well, to find the x-intercept, you just write it without the 5y. So you just write 4x equals 20. You just take out the 5y because that's my 0. Or x is 5. To find the y-intercept, take out the 4x. Pretend like the 4x is not there. So you have 5y equals 20. In other words, y is 4. Go over on the graph and mark those points. Intercept x, x-intercept is 5. That's right there. Y-intercept is 4. That's right there. And then draw your line. I would recommend pausing the video before we do this one. Try this one on your own. With this one, if you pretend like the 6y is not there, don't forget about your negative. It's negative 2x is 12. So x-intercept is negative 6. And then below that, 6y would be 12, or y-intercept is 2. So plot those on the graph. X-intercept is negative 6. Again, don't miss your negative. Y-intercept is positive 2. And not a perfect line, but you get the idea. Hit pause again and try this next one on your own. With this one, pretend like the y is not there, and pretty easy. X is negative 4. But on the next one, don't miss this negative. You need to write negative y is negative 4. Then remember this little trick of dividing by a negative 1. So your y-intercept is actually positive 4. So plotting those points, x-intercept, negative 4, y-intercept, positive 4, draw a line down through. That's how you graph a line when the line is written, when the equation is written in standard form. Hey, thanks for watching.